How to tag someone on Instagram post. Hey guys, in today's video I'll show you how to tag someone or how to tag people in Instagram post. After you open your Instagram post like this, all you have to do now, as you can see now, tap on this plus button, tap on it. After you tap on this plus button, now it will allow you to select an image or a video that you want to post on your Instagram. So I'll just go ahead and tap on this recent and select an image from my phone. So I'll tap on this image. After I select the image, as you can see now, I'll go ahead on this one. So tap on this next button at the top right side. Tap on this next again. So after you tap on this next, now tap on this tag people section. So as you can see now go ahead and tap on the image. As you can see now, tap on some part of the image. I'll tap on this section. So go ahead and type in the person name that you want to tag. Let's say I want to type like Mufti. So as you can see now, if you type in the person name, it will give you different suggested people. Go and search for the one that you want to use. I'll just tap on this person. So if you want to add another one, go and tap on some part of the image. So it will allow you now to search. So as you can see like this one, I'll just go with this person. So after you just finishing just tagging all the people that you want to tag, all you have to do now, tap on this. As you can see now, tap on this save section, but sometimes it will ask you to tap on this. As you can see now, this icon. So if you tap on this icon, tap on it again. So after you tap on this icon twice, to tap on this save button at the top. Now you can go ahead and share your post with the people that you tag on your Instagram. That's it guys on how to tag people on Instagram posts. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.